Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new video. This is actually going to be quite short. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to find out how much RAM or memory you have in your PC. I've been getting hit with that a lot lately from a lot of people asking me questions like, can I run it with 4 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes? I don't know how much RAM I have. Those are the simple questions I get, and I'm like, okay, so this video is for you all. I'm just going to show you really quick. So you're simply going to type in Control Alt Delete or just press it on your keyboard. You're going to get to your task manager. You can do it multiple ways, but this is the simplest way. Now here we're simply going to go into Performance, and you're going to click on Memory. Now here it actually tells you, it's a pretty good idea of what it is. It tells you if you're using single or dual, with how many slots you have used. As you can see, it says 2 out of 4 for me. I have a speed of 1600 megahertz. Both of my memory sticks are clocked at that speed, and that's basically it. We're using 8 gigabytes of RAM each, so that's 16 gigabytes in total. We also have another actual thing that you can download. I'll leave a link in the description down below. It's CPU. Did everything is free? CPU Z. And this also tells you how much RAM you have as well. If you guys don't understand the task manager, I feel like this one's a little bit simpler. As you can see, it says it here, it even tells you the exact model of RAM you have, and it does say dual channel. 8 gigabytes, you click on it, obviously because you have to put them spaced out, the RAM spaced out. Dual channel, 8 gigabytes, as you can see, Patriot memory. And that's about it. I just wanted to put that out for those who keep asking that question about how much, I don't know how much RAM I have. You can use those to check going forward. Dual channel is always better. If you have integrated graphics and you're using single channel, you will be limited greatly. Just wanted to point that out there. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. And once again, yes, CPU Z will be in the description for you guys to download in case you're interested. Tell me your specs down below and what memory you have in your systems. I'll see you guys again.